G'day guys, Craig here from MiniJumpStarter.com, just here to demonstrate the Mini Jump Starter. We're here at Wollongong City Jetski, and what we're going to do is we're going to start up the Ultra 300X, which is one of the most powerful jet skis on the market. Just go inside the unit here and have a look. You can see that the battery's out of there. So take the Mini Jump Starter, hook it up. Okay. There you go. The red and the black. Turn the unit on. Power bar.
Push the button down for 3 seconds and turn it over, get it started. It jump starts the battery every time.
There you go.
All under Mini Jump Starter's own power. Check us out at minijumpstarter.com.